The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, keyless entry, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, MP3 playback stereo, power door locks, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel, steel wheels. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.